Let's understand the difference between sauce and ketchup. Sauce is general term for a semi-liquid substance served with food to add flavor, moisture, and visual appeal. Whereas, ketchup is a specific type of sauce, usually tomato-based, sweetened, and flavored with vinegar and various spices. Flavor: sauce can be sweet, savory, spicy, tangy, rich, or a combination of these. Whereas, ketchup is known for its sweet and tangy, umami flavor. Consistency: sauce can range from being very thin and watery to thick and creamy. Whereas, ketchup generally has a thick, smooth, and pourable consistency. Storage: sauces shelf life vary widely depending on the type. Some need refrigeration, others can be stored at room temperature. Ketchup generally has a long shelf life and is often stored in the refrigerator after opening to maintain freshness. We hope you have understood the difference between sauce and ketchup. Learning a difference a day makes you headway. Keep watching Difference Between. Subscribe now.